Rrb Clerk Prelim. Now in this question numbers 1 to 5, circular arrangement, and 7 people are there seated around a circular table. And 7 people seated around a circular table. Then, and they are facing towards the center. F is seated second to the right of K. K is here. F is here. F is seated second to the right of K. And B is an immediate neighbor of neither K nor F. Hence B cannot be at any one of these places. And there are 2 different possibilities. B can be here or B can be here. As there is a second possibility here, then let us draw this second possibility. K, F, and this is B. And B is neither adjacent to K nor F. F sits second to the right of K, and T sits to the immediate left of B. T is here. Now here also T is to the immediate left of B, and there are 2 persons between T and X. In the first case, X is here. Now in the second case, X is here. And R and K are not immediate neighbors. R and K are not immediate neighbors. R is here. R and K are not immediate neighbors. R is here. Then who is the person left over here? S is the person. And as many persons between B and X, X and S. Now B and X, X and S, X must be exactly in between B and S. As X is exactly between B and S, that is not possible in the first case. Now in the second case, between B and X, how many persons? 1 person. And same as X and S, there is 1 person. Then, now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. Then next one, question number 6 onwards. Now in this question number 6, there are some 6 people, and these 6 people were born in join in an office in 2 different dates on either 11th or 22nd. That means 3 months and 2 dates were given. April, what is that month here? 11 and 22nd. April, next one is April, May and June. April 11, April 22nd, May 11, May 22nd, and June 11, June 22nd. Now altogether there are some 6 people, and P, Q, R, S, T and U, and join in an office in 2 different dates. On 3 different months, in 3 different months, and 2 different dates were given. Then coming to condition number 1, now in the first one, and only 2 people joining in each month, and only 1 person join on each date, no other person in an end. Then R joins in the office in the month which is having even number days. Even number days either in the month of April or in the month of June. Even number days, but not on an even number date, hence R must be on either 11th of April or 11th of June. And so many possibilities we have? 2 different possibilities. And 2 people between R and P. P is here. Now here again 2 people between R and P. P is here. And 2 people, and S joins immediately before you. S is immediately before you. S and U must be together. And 2 people between U and T. Now in between U and T, how many people? There must be exactly 2 people. And Q joins after T. Q is after T. Then this is what the information we have. Then let us start with the possibilities. Can we have S and U like this? S and U. Now if you take S and U were like this, now between U and T there must be exactly 2 people, and T must be here, and Q must be after this T, which is not possible. Isn't it? Hence S cannot be at this place. Then in the next case, if S and U were like this, then in between U and T there must be exactly 3 people, and 1, 2, 3, 2 people. T is here. Now T is here again, Q is before this one but not after, and this case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with the second case. In this case, S and U must be like this. Now between U and T there are 2 people, and Q is here. Now this is the final arrangement, and question number 6 to 10. TPS, URQ is the order. Then next one, 11 to 15. Now 11 to 15 it is based on weekdays. Now weekdays, persons and subjects were given. As of now, we have already done 2 sets in this one. My people already 10 questions chesaru kada, and that 2 puzzles were already completed. Hence, keep this one into the second priority, because there could be much easier type of questions when compared with this one. And if the time is left over, then you can able to come out for this one. And then, because there are 2 parameters, one is person, the other one is a subject. Clear? Chances of becoming a little bit difficult would be more. Hence, now you need to keep this one under the second priority. Then what are the days we have? Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Sunday. Now how many persons are there? There are 7 persons on these 7 different days. Monday to Sunday. Then coming to condition number 1. And only two people teach after E. After E there must be exactly 2 people. E must be on Friday. And next one. And only 3 people between E and the one who teaches commerce. And 3 people between E and commerce. And the one who teaches commerce must be on Sunday. Then must be on Monday. And next one, only 1 person between D and the one who teaches commerce. Now between D and commerce, how many people? There must be exactly 1. Isn't it? Only 2 people after E and 3 people between E and the one who teaches commerce, and only 1 person between D and commerce. Number of people before D is 1 lesser than the number of teachers after computers. Number of people before D, there are 2. And so after this computers, there must be exactly 3. Are you getting this one or not? Now computers is here. And next one, and there are 2 people teach between computers and history. Now between computers and history, there must be exactly 1. History is here. Now if history is here, A teaches immediately before the one. A teaches immediately before the one who teaches physics. A is immediately before the one who teaches physics and teaches after D. And A is immediately before physics and after DN. A is immediately before physics. We cannot have physics at this place. We cannot have physics here. And we can have physics at this place, or we can have physics here. And so how many possibilities we have for this physics? There are 2 possibilities. And D must be before this one, hence physics cannot be here as well. Hence the final is physics is here. Now if physics is here, then A must be here. And D is after this one. Then next one, no one teaches between B and physics. Now between B and physics, there should not be any person here. And G teaches neither commerce nor history. G cannot be in these 2 places. G is here. And the one who teaches chemistry teaches immediately before botany. And chemistry is before botany, chemistry and botany. Then finally, what is the subject after here? And zoology is the subject. And F teaches either history or botany. Botany is not possible, F is here. Then who is the person after here? C teaches commerce on Monday. Then this is about question numbers 11 to 15. Then coming to 16 to 19. Now 16 to 19, they are based on inequalities. Now the relation between P and H. Now P lesser than or equals to H means H greater than or equals to P. Then next one, R and B are greater than B. Hence both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2. Choice for question number 16. Then 17th one, P and B. V is sir, P is sir, 2 opposite symbols between these 2. And T and W, T greater than W, W lesser than T. And so only 2 follows. Only 2. Choice for question number 17. Then next one, 18th one, the relation between R and B. Where is B? B is here. Now B to R, B lesser than R means R greater than B. And next, S and H. And H is here, S is here. Which element is common here? B is common. And H greater than or equals to B. And B lesser than S means B lesser than S. Now 2 opposite symbols, so no relation can be drawn. Hence only 1, that is choice 3, question number 18. The next one, 19th one, the relation between R and K. R to S, S to K, opposite symbol. Then Q and T, and T is here, Q is here. And T equals to T greater than or equals to S, and S and Q, 2 opposite symbols. Then what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 1, question number 19.